Hello everyone, it's been a while. I'm sure if you've ever been looking for a Bluetooth wireless microphone, you have encountered this brand and this model. But what if I tell you there is a much cheaper alternative, costs exactly half the price, and you get exactly the same? Well, let's dive into this. Before we start, please like and subscribe. That would really help out my channel to bring you the most informative videos about different kind of products and gadgets. So, what is the difference between the OEM and the branded version? Well, absolutely nothing except $50 and a logo. Because the branded one costs $99 around, and this costs $50 approximately, depends on the day. Both of them using the same software. Even the box is exactly the same, as you can see. Only thing is missing is from here, the LEWINNER logo. They both using exactly the same crappy software that makes a lot of people suffer and makes them angry because they buy something for $100 and the software is exactly the same than this one and doesn't work. The software doesn't allow you to use the built-in camera with this microphone. So you are being forced to use an application that is giving you pixelated videos when you try to extract them, export them. So as you can see, the case exactly the same. What's inside the box is also exactly the same. Maybe for the branded model they include a few other things that cost might be $2 more if you buy it from somewhere else. You got the same hook thing, USB-C charging cable, and the microphone itself, which is of course exactly the same from this one. Also, the only thing is missing is the LEWINNER logo from here. USB-C charger port and a 3.5mm jack. And I have an alternative for those people who doesn't know, who's unable to use it with the built-in with the built-in cameras of the phone. I have a solution for that. A very simple solution. It's a software. You don't even need to download the original software for that. Just ignore the software, pair the phone with this microphone without the software, download the application I'm going to add in the link below. The software is only 250 kilobytes, so it's not even a software. All that does is enable Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth microphones to be used with the built-in camera. So let's jump into the software. So let's get to the software part. The phone I'm using is the Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro with Android 11, the latest MIUI. So normally this app not even supposed to be compatible with this, but it is. So you don't even have to download the app that comes with the microphone itself anymore. You don't have to use it. All you have to do is download this called BT Mono. It's a very tiny application, only 250 kilobytes, and that's it. If you already pair the microphone with the phone, all you have to do is just turn on Bluetooth, turn on the microphone. As you see, it connects immediately. Just open the app, press on, and it's on. That's it. With the volume up and down button, you can control the sensitivity of the microphone itself. Then you just go to your native camera application of your phone. As you can see, it's there. And you can also control the start and stop. Plus, you can also take photos with the button on the microphone itself. It serves as a remote controller. Note, while you using the microphone, you can only hear the sound, any sound from your phone, from the 3.5mm jack of the microphone itself. So here I'm going to press the button to take a photo. Done. I'm going to video. I'm going to press the button and the recording starts. With any setting you desire on your own built-in camera app. I'm going to show you that I'm going to knock this microphone a few times, blow it, just to hear that the sound is coming from the microphone on the recording. And then I'm going to stop the recording with the button itself. And it's done. Now I'm going to disconnect the microphone, otherwise you're not going to hear the test. Just disabling Bluetooth. And I can play the audio and the video. And that's it. It's just that simple. You don't have to suffer anymore. You don't have to suffer anymore with the built-in app, but with the app that comes with the microphone itself. And now I'm going to show you some test recordings. This OEM microphone versus the BOYA M1 Pro microphone from BOYA is what I'm using for recording this video. This is cabled, this is wireless. So let's see. So this is the sound test with the BOYA M1 Pro. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Test. This is how it sounds. Started the recording with the button. This is the sound test with the LEWINNER wireless microphone OEM version. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. I hope it doesn't sound bad. So obviously, a wired BOYA microphone sounds much better than a wireless Bluetooth microphone. But with editing software, you can always correct the sound. And a Bluetooth microphone gives you the wireless freedom to go about up to 10-15 meters away from your phone if you're recording with a phone. And so I can highly recommend this one. And I'm going to leave an affiliate link down in the description. If you would like to support the channel and if you would like to buy this microphone, feel free to do so. Thanks.